This week is a little bit different, so I have a quick update. It won't take very long. But first, I want to remind you that your exam is due at 11:59 p.m. tonight, and will lock at that time. These will likely take me at least most of the week to grade, so I will let you know via email when they are graded and put in the grade book, and you can go ahead and check that. I'll also be reaching out to you if you don't take your exam to make a plan for that. This week we start a new unit, and I have good news. It's the last learning plan for chemistry, so the last time that we will be working through a learning plan and then taking a quiz. We will take this week to investigate solutions, and then we'll start a final project next week, which will take us through the end of the school year because we only have 4 weeks left of the school year. So this week and then 3 more weeks. And on that note, I want to say to all of you, keep going. Okay, this time of the school year is hard, even when we are face-to-face. Okay, I feel it. The energy is low. Everybody just wants to be done with school. It's hard when we're in school. And trust me when I say that I am as sick of doing distance learning as you are. Okay, I would much rather be in the classroom with all of you every day than sitting at my computer at home. This is hard, and it's not something that any other students have had to do before. I'm here to help you finish the year strong, but I can't do that if you're not reaching out or communicating that you need help. And I understand that a video chat with me might be weird. It's okay to turn off your camera and not have that on and just chat. It's okay to jump on if you just want to talk. That's fine. My office is probably as messy as your bedroom is. I can't really see much of it here, but it probably is as messy as your bedroom. And we might be interrupted by my dog or my 2-year-old, like the people who I talked to this week were. But that's okay. We'll get through this together. I am not looking for perfection here. I am looking for you to continue trying. You all continue to impress me daily, and I truly care about all of you, but please, please, please don't give up on yourselves and let me help you so that we can finish this year together. As always, if you need anything, please feel free to reach out to me. Stay safe, wash your hands, and just keep going.